In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to take apart and put back together the VQ5. Now you must have saw me take apart and reassemble the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. But if you want to watch that one, I recommend you watch that. Even though if you have watched it, I recommend you watch it. And it must be in the video list. So, now to start, open up a gap like this and stick your thumb in there and just pull out this piece. It might be hard for you, but just keep on pulling. Don't pull too hard or the piece could break. Now to wiggle this piece out. Back to you, because I took out 2 more pieces. And now when you've got something sort of like that, just take out the rest of the corner section. Actually, is what I'll do, I'll just keep on turning it until it'll become quite loose. When you're on the corner, just pull it out. Just like that. Lucky it didn't break. And now basically just turn it and the piece will just start to come out. So that can't come off. They do usually come off on V-cubes. Now I'm going to put it in the solved position, because I don't know how to solve the cubes. But if you're putting it in the jumbled position, make sure that the edges and corners are in the correct place. Like for instance, with an edge, you have to put it in the correct place. And with the corners, you have to put them in the right place. Right, when you've got all your pieces ready, what you need to do is take any edge, doesn't matter which one, to just put it in like that, and then put the center pieces in like that. So I just fit that one in like that, and then just get this piece and then just fit it in place like that. I'll put this in. So then my can't go in. So then get the edge, the other edge which will work. And then just get the edge centerpiece. Then just slide that in its place. Well, actually, put that in its place there. Can't get it in. It's all falling apart. I better fix it. Then just slide. You just keep like that and then just slide it in its place. So like that. Then just get the other one and fit that. And then get this piece, then just fit that one on. Luckily, I got it on. So it's what I have now. Get one of these corner centerpieces, which have sort of like a thing come from the corner, and then just fit it there like that. And then you get the edge piece and just fit it there, and then you do the same for this part here. That's the wrong one. This, and then just fit it on there. Now find the corner which match these centers, and for me it is the orange, blue and yellow. And here it is, and just put it on like that. And now we're going to start stacking up the pieces layer by layer until we've finished a complete corner section. So then you get these corners, then you fit that there, and for the other side get the same. And then get the small edge piece. Now get the edge which match these two. And here is mine. And just fit it on like that. And I'll get these pieces and fit it on. Get this piece and fit it on like that. So there, I have just completed a corner section. Now come back to me when you've got one corner section left. Now you may notice that there isn't an edge, because it makes it easier to put the corner in instead of trying to force it in and breaking it. Because what you have to do is put the corner in, then it may be easier to put the edge in like that. Take the pieces, then just fit them in like this. Then you fit this piece in like alright. Now when you're on the last pieces, just start fitting them in. In. And then you put these pieces in. And make sure that that part is facing to the piece of the core like that. And now, instead of pushing it in like that, like a stupid man called me myself and pie told you to, like it could break like that. So I recommend you follow me by putting it in like that, and then fit it in like that, and then it should be assembled. And that's how you take apart and reassemble the Vegan 5. This includes the tutorial.